name's Jono. I just wanted to talk about an upgrade I did to my camper trailer very recently, a couple of months or a few months ago. I fitted a WiTi, wireless trailer interface, mainly for the anti-theft, but it comes with so much more to it. It's you know, there's the brake control system, there's the GPS tracking system, hill descent, etc., etc. And I just wanted to show you, I do a lot of off-roading, and there's a sender unit fitted in the vehicle, a receiver fitted in the toolbox in the trailer. What this does, it does away with any wiring requirements. So there's no wiring. I mean, obviously there's my charging to the vehicle, but to the trailer from the vehicle, but there's no wires required to the trailer. I've had a couple of times where I've had to replace or repair the wiring where it's pulled out, it's got dirty, etc. So it does away with that, which is an absolute win. Just thought I'd show you as well. When the unit is armed, somebody comes along and tries to hook your trailer and tow it away. I just want to show what happens with the brakes on it. If you want to look into it, jump onto the website. I'll pop the link below in the video, and you're good to go. Good on you.